Hi and welcome to the video demonstration of our final group project for CS1013. This project consisted of data visualization for housing data in England and Wales for the last 22 years. The module required us to build the project using the processing library within 5 weeks. Right now you can see the dynamic bar charts we created for our project. You're able to hover over a county to see more details. You can also click a county to get a trend graph of the previous 22 years of data for that county. You can also hover over these details, see the price, and you can see the recession shown there. Now if we go back to the bar chart, you're able to flick between the different years, and you can see the data relevant for that specific year. And you can see the lovely animated bar charts we made. We can also do another search query to see the types of housing sold in an area over the 22 years. And just a reminder that all the UI elements in this project, we programmed these features ourselves. We didn't make use of any charts library, for example. Here we can see the nicely animated pie chart, and yet again we can flick between the different years and see the data relevant for that specific year. For the next search query, we will visualize our data with the map view. Now to implement maps, we used the Unfolding Maps library. Here we selected all the counties in England and then all the counties in Wales. To us, we felt that maps was a really important element of this project, as housing data is heavily based on geolocation. As you can see with the clusters, they are bigger in the south than they are in the north, representing the difference in average price. We can also zoom in on the map, so that we're able to identify each individual cluster separately without overlapping. And you can see, as we hover over it, we are able to clearly see the prices of the average price for that year. And yet again, we can use the year view feature, so we can flick between different years for the average prices. And we can see the prices in the UK go astronomically high as time progresses. Finally, we can show off one of the coolest features of our project, is that you can search by postcode. Our program then searches the entire 22 million entries in our 3.7 gigabyte SQL table for the relevant data. Meanwhile, our program also sends the postcode to the open source postcodes.io API to get the GPS coordinates so we can show the property's location on a map, allowing us to see the data and location of this lovely mansion with a pool. That's been our project, and thank you for watching. Bye!